Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily set up your Rogers 5G home internet. Let's go! To get started, download the Nokia Wi-Fi app on your phone or tablet. The 5G home internet SIM card may already be pre-installed in your device. To check, flip it over, and then remove the SIM tray from the bottom. If there's no SIM card in the tray, take the 5G home internet SIM card included in your order and place it securely in the tray. Then, reinsert the tray back into the device. Next, open the Nokia Wi-Fi app and scan the QR code located at the bottom of your device. Plug in your Nokia FastMile 5G gateway device and push the on-off button. LED lights will appear on the top of your device once it's powered on. Wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow the device to search for a 5G signal. Next, check your connectivity using the lights on the top of the device. If all 3 LED lights are on, you have very good signal strength. 2 lights mean good signal strength, and 1 light means you have weak signal strength. If you don't have good signal strength, you can improve it by moving the device around your home to find the area with the best signal. It's recommended to set at a higher place, closer to a window or near an outer wall. The fewer obstacles around the gateway, the better. You can now test the signal strength at any time by pressing the Test button on the side of your device. Now, it's time to set up your home Wi-Fi. Use the default SSID and Wi-Fi key printed on the bottom of your device to connect to your devices. If you'd like to change your network name and password, you can do so through the Nokia Wi-Fi app. In the app, select the Settings icon. Select the Wi-Fi name you'd like to change. Select the pencil icon to change your network's Wi-Fi name and password. A message will let you know that you'll lose connection when you're changing your network credentials. Select Continue. Once you're happy with your changes, select the check mark to save them. A warning message appears. Select OK. Remember, you'll need to sign in to your Wi-Fi network again using your new credentials on all your connected devices. That's it! Your Rogers 5G home internet is now set up and ready to go.